What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you have been keeping up with the full-size SUV market, you already know that the Kia Telluride has basically been the king of the hill since the day it dropped. Families love it, reviewers rave about it, and frankly, it completely changed how we look at mainstream three-row utility vehicles. But time moves fast in the automotive world, and Kia isn't just resting on their laurels. We are looking ahead to the upcoming 2027 Kia Telluride, and let me tell you, this thing is shaping up to be an absolute game-changer. Before we jump into the details, if you love deep dives into upcoming builds and high-end automotive design, hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss a drop. Now, let's talk about how we got here. If you look at past models, the Telluride won hearts with its boxy, commanding stance, incredible value, and an interior that punched way above its weight class. It felt like a luxury vehicle wearing a mainstream badge. But for the 2027 model year, Kia is taking everything we loved and cranking the dial all the way up, blending rugged capability with next-level sophistication. Let's start right on the outside with the design. Kia has always had a knack for road presence, but the 2027 refresh introduces an even bolder architectural language. Imagine sharper vertical LED lighting signatures up front, a heavily sculpted geometric grille that gives it an almost futuristic face, and stance-enhancing body lines that flow seamlessly down the sides. It keeps that upright, confidence-inspiring silhouette we adore, but sharpens every edge. Whether you are rolling through city downtowns or pulling up to a trailhead, this SUV commands absolute attention. Underneath that stunning sheet metal, the big news everyone's been waiting for is happening right under the hood. While previous generations relied heavily on a tried-and-true naturally aspirated V6, the 2027 Telluride is stepping firmly into the future with an advanced hybrid engine option. We are talking about a sophisticated turbocharged hybrid setup designed to give you that instantaneous low-end torque for quick passing power while drastically improving your fuel economy on those long road trips. It is smooth, it is responsive, and it finally gives efficiency-conscious buyers the exact powertrain they have been asking for without sacrificing an ounce of towing capability. Speaking of adventure, let's talk off-road features. Kia knows that buyers aren't just taking these to the grocery store anymore, people want weekend capability. The 2027 model pushes further into rugged territory, especially with enhanced all-wheel drive torque vectoring, selectable terrain modes, and beefier suspension tuning. We are seeing higher ground clearance, reinforced underbody protection, and smart electronic tech that reads the trail ahead of you, ensuring that whether you are hitting deep snow, sand, or muddy backroads, the Telluride handles it with total composure. Slide inside, and you are stepping into a sanctuary. The interior updates on this thing are honestly staggering. Kia has completely reimagined the cabin architecture, featuring a sweeping panoramic curved display that merges your digital instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless glass pane. The materials are richer than ever, with sustainable premium leather alternatives, open-pore wood accents, and ambient lighting that wraps around the cabin like a high-end luxury lounge. Plus, the seating layout remains immensely versatile, offering spacious second-row captain's chairs or a bench configuration, along with a genuinely usable third row for adults, making it the ultimate road trip machine. Now, I know what you are wondering: how does all of this affect the bottom line, and how does it stack up against what came before? While official final pricing is still rolling out, expect a slight bump to account for the massive injection of hybrid technology, upgraded chassis dynamics, and premium tech features. However, looking at Kia's history of aggressive value positioning, it is expected to undercut traditional luxury European rivals by a massive margin while offering double the tech and reliability. Compared to the outgoing generation, which felt like a great traditional SUV, the 2027 model feels like a generational leap forward into the premium electrified era. What do you guys think of the 2027 Kia Telluride? Are you excited to see a hybrid powertrain under the hood, or do you miss the simplicity of the old V6? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, give this video a massive thumbs up if you enjoyed the walkthrough, and I will catch you all in the next one.